The last 2 years have challenged governments around the world in ways few would have predicted. Confronted by a global pandemic, in Victoria, we acted decisively. We moved swiftly to protect Victorians in an unprecedented public health response. We stood by Victorian businesses and their workers, delivering more than $13 billion in support. All up, we invested more than $44 billion to support communities and our economy. It created the foundations for Victoria's recovery, and it's gaining momentum every day. We've got a strong track record when it comes to our state's economy. We've delivered strong economic growth and record low unemployment. 18 months ago, we said we wanted to deliver 200,000 jobs by the end of 2022. We've done better than that. We've already delivered 280,000 jobs. This didn't happen by chance. Together, we took control of our destiny. We didn't just watch the economic dice roll, we invested in infrastructure, services and business, in short, the Victorian people, because their wellbeing is our defining purpose. We dealt with the global crisis while keeping our eyes on the long-term goal, creating a prosperous state with fairness at its core. This budget delivers investments that will build on the momentum we already see right across the state. And after the state's massive investments to respond to the pandemic, this budget delivers a path back to surplus. Victorians are proud that this is a state that looks after every member of the community. We're proud to be a government that puts patients first. That's why we're building new hospitals and upgrading existing ones, as well as improvements to emergency departments. Victorians will see more health staff, better facilities and better care. And we're delivering thousands of additional surgeries. We're delivering more paramedics. We're making a record investment in our OOO call takers and dispatch capacity. We're continuing our nation-leading investment in mental health, which is already helping Victorians of all ages and backgrounds. Now, we're delivering more mental health beds in our hospitals and funding more local services. This budget also continues our investment in quality education, building another 13 schools across our state and upgrading many more. We're also continuing our record investment in transport infrastructure to get people where they need to be, when they need to be there. Our investments will help deliver the jobs we need now and for the future. Education provides choices. Free TAFE is giving thousands of Victorians exactly that. We're also creating fairer conditions for workers. Australia's first sick pay guarantee means many casual workers won't have to choose between earning a living and keeping themselves and their families healthy. We're continuing to invest in regional Victoria, where the unemployment rate is the lowest in the nation, and we'll be taking the Commonwealth Games to the regions to keep regional communities thriving like never before. The greatest achievement of this budget is not the numbers, although they tell a compelling story of growth and resurgence. It's the fact that we've done this together through hard work and determination, setting up our future and the future for our kids in a strong and sustainable way. Across the state, we're investing in what makes Victoria a great place to live, because we know Victorians are confident about the future. This budget means their confidence is well placed.